Long queues characterized NCPB silos in the western, south and north rift regions as maize farmers tried to sell their produce to the board. However, many were turned away after the silos ran out of storage space with claims that unscrupulous businessmen had imported maize from neighboring countries and sold it to the board at the expense of local farmers. To this effect, the government has suspended 3 regional managers of imported maize finding its way into the NCPB depots and farmers missing out on the subsidized fertilizer.
The union farmers who brought their maize to our silos, who brought their maize to our depots, have not been paid, while we have traders and merchants who brought huge consignments of maize and they have been paid. All the 3 regional managers, regional manager of Lake Western Region, regional manager of North Rift, the regional manager of South Rift, are all hereby suspended until full investigations are conducted, and those found culpable will be dealt with in accordance with our procedures.
Top NCPB officials at the Kisumu, Bungoma, Moise Bridge and Eldoret depots alongside 59 other officials are under investigations.
Managers of the following silos: Eldoret Silo, Moise Bridge Silo, Bungoma, Kisumu and Nakuru, where these malpractices took place, are also hereby suspended until full investigation and forensic audits are conducted.
The government now plans to restructure the National Cereals and Produce Board.
I wish to inform that the board and the ministry have received and accepted the resignation letter from the Managing Director, Mr. Newton Terer. And accordingly, the ministry, to ensure smooth operations of this institution, have appointed Mr. Albin Sang from the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation as Acting Managing Director of NCPB with immediate effect.
Agriculture PS Richard Lesiyampe said registration of local farmers will begin next month to ascertain the number of local farmers. The government has released 1 billion shillings to pay the second batch of local farmers who sold their maize to the NCPB, with the Ministry of Agriculture expecting more cash to pay the last batch of maize farmers.